discount stuff in the 4th week. We just did a couple new steps and we had you all practice dancing a bunch. It looked really, really good by the end. New step number 1, the cuddle. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, loop-de-doo, hey, and rock, step, tug, turn. The hand might be upside down, that's all good. I just switch it later. Then we did one where we do a tuck turn this way. So I go rock, step, triple step, rock, step, change places to get back where I came from. Again, that is rock, step, triple step, semi-part, one side at a time. Always stay behind your hands and really feel it. Do the same thing using this hand instead. Rock, step, come up, over, rock, step, a free turn, triple. Rock, step, show one more time. We got a rock, step, this hand comes up, around, and a free turn. You know, remember, we just also tried this, another free turn. When you switch hands, you don't have to go to Frank sixes. You can just do that turn right there. One last time. If I go rock, step, triple step, switch the hand, and you just do a free turn, get back out here. That was it, great.